welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I'm at the parents' house and today I wanna review some of the Japanese bread. Obviously, typical Japanese bread is like, grilled fish and rice and miso soup, but that is really traditional way. But most of us today eat bread for breakfast, and especially Japanese toast bread is very popular to eat at breakfast. There are so many bakery stores specialized in Japanese toast bread. Japanese toast bread is quite different from the sort of like a Western toast bread. First of all, like the Western toast bread is like a really tiny size, like this much, like 3-inch. But Japanese bread is pretty big. So this is Japanese bread, and this is my iPhone 12. So it's, of course, the iPhone 12 is a little bit bigger, but it's almost like, pretty much the same size, the height. And then it's really fluffy, and when we eat Japanese bread, we usually slice like maybe an inch, minimum an inch thick. So it's really like, thicker, and the taste is a little bit sweeter than the traditional toast bread. And then it's like soft, chewy, and it's just delicious. And I think it's really unique style of toast bread. I went to a Hanshin Department store yesterday, and the first floor of that department, they are selling bunch of different Japanese bakery goods, and I found I don't know how many Japanese bread are there. Like I'm gonna put some like videos on the short videos, but there are tons of Japanese bread available at the Hanshin store, and then the Hanshin department store. So I pick up a couple of them yesterday because these two are pretty popular, and I never tried, of course. Both are from Osaka. Yeah, so that's why I thought like maybe I want to try both of them and see which one I like. So you see this, like both of them, it said that the first day you wanna eat it as is, and then second day is you wanna toast, and the third day is you put it, with the butter, jam, any like toppings as you wish. But anyway, so both are artisanal bakery. One of them is called Takasho. This is one of them. The other one is called Nami. So I want to try both and see which one I like. This is Takasho. And this is Narimatsu. Also, like they put some like stamp here. Takasho is a little bit bigger size, and this is not much. I think like both are maybe $7 for the size. Okay. So I wanna try both and see which one I like. So this is Takasho. So let me try So this one with narimatsu, and I'm gonna thin slice a little bit so I can try, I can taste before it's baked by itself. Let me eat it by itself. This is narimatsu. This is takasho. I cannot tell the difference. The only difference that I could tell was narimatsu crust. It's a little bit hard, but this is really soft. This is, by the way, narimatsu. Okay, other one is on the way. So this is takasho. Okay, so this is takasho and this is from narimatsu. So let me eat with takasho first. I just ate narimatsu, by the way, sorry. And this is takasho. Takasho tastes sweeter. And I preferred this crust. This one. This crust doesn't really, it feels a little bit bitter taste. My personal favorite is takasho because it's a little bit sweeter. It's really more like a Japanese style toast bread. Both are chewy. It's really good. I can't really find any type of any similar Japanese bread in the US or in Hungary, so it makes me happy. But between these two, I will go with takasho. This one. This is the winner for me. So there are so many other Japanese toast bread. The famous one. There are so many like famous Japanese toast bread available all over the Japan. I haven't tried like very famous like Nogami and I think a couple more, but we'll see if I can try while I'm here. But if not, I'm more than happy to eat this takasho. Thank you for watching my YouTube video today. Bye.